Do you want your home to look like it's just had a spring clean, inside and out, all year round? Then this telescopic power scrubber from RYOBI is exactly what you need. It extends up to 1.3 metres, so you can clean hard to reach areas. And it also saves you from bending down. It's waterproof, so you can get it wet without damaging the tool or battery. Just make sure the battery housing is fully closed. Then you can put it to work in all the wet areas. Using it dry, with the adjustable head, you can get to all those hard to reach places, like the tops of windows and doors. It's also handy for removing cobwebs. You can also use it outside. It's great for cleaning your boats, caravans, bikes, car wheels and mats. And don't forget your concrete paths and pavers and garden furniture. This scrubber also loves cleaning weatherboards too, so the outside of your home will look like new in no time at all. If you've got a pool or spa, you'll know how difficult it is to clean around the waterline and the steps. It also works on the surrounding tiles. You can get the timber deck looking totally refreshed, along with the outdoor pots. It comes with a medium stiffness brush for general cleaning. You can also get a soft bristle brush for delicate jobs, or a hard bristle brush for the tough ones. It's lightweight, it has a comfortable non-slip grip, and it's powered by the 18-volt ONE+ battery. Get one now, you never know. You might really start to enjoy cleaning.
RYOBI, a cut above.